So today, you guys join me working on his car. Yes, it's gonna basically be the intro to this part of the vlog. Can you believe his car's the first one into this garage with the new floor? Look at that. So basically, he decided. Oh wow! I just realized how much of a shadow you are in that, but you probably just see the thumbs up and stuff. But yeah. Look at his beautiful smile, man. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So we're swapping the front to the back because his tires.
Man's drifting out here, you know.
Oh yes. Oh yes. And while we're doing that, swapping the wheels around, giving them a good quick clean, doing one side at a time.
Obviously, and, you know, I drift a lot. If you wanna.
So he spent the last like 2 minutes talking to you guys, and he completely forgot to press record. So what did you tell the beautiful ladies and gentlemen about how sick of a drifter you are? Yeah?
As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by technology.
Yeah.
Obviously, you know, this car has been converted from front wheel drive to rear. So, let me show you. Oh, I was just about to take this rear wheel off. You can see it's pretty much bold. If you spit on it and just wipe it down a bit.
Nah, you can just.
Let's get that bit of a rub. You can see now, there's not much tire left.
No.
Obviously, there's a lot of excess camber.
Oh snap! That terminology.
So I was gonna have to change it over now.
Right. Well, I'll leave you to doing that, bro. I'm gonna carry on washing your other wheels.
Oh, thanks. Wheels?
You know. One wheel right now. I'll be doing your others in the. Yeah. Look at him using my. This is my awesome ratchet, electrical ratchet. But yep. Oh, he's using the manual one. He's going manual on it. But right, okay, I'm gonna finish up cleaning up this alloy. His alloys are filthy, by the way. Oh, what a hench guy!
Nah, you ready for
One-handed.
You ready for this one?
Can you get it in? Oh, he got it in. He always got it. Oh, he always gets it in.
First time round.
Oof, saucy guy. Always important to stretch.
Oh, me fix it. It's not in the right position to do this.
Yeah.
Chill out, mate.
Sorry, man. I had to sneeze.
Do a big boy one go. Ah!
That hurts, man. Is he struggling? I thought you always get it in first time, bro.
Pause it a bit. What do you see? So I've got a proper
leverage on it, yeah? Just a little kid on a bike.
Fuck.
Wow, look at that. You got dirt on your back, by the way, from touching the board.
Nature, innit? Do I have any more? Okay.
Wow. What a saucy guy.
Actually really tight. Stupidly tight.
Like that actually hurt your arm from doing your one-handed. Yeah.
It's alright?
Yeah, it's alright, yeah. Yeah, his son was running towards him and it just got a little bit loose.
He ain't got his training wheels on. I couldn't help him, man. He fell over. What can I do?
That's really dirty.
Wait.
That's super dirty.
You know, he needs to stop drinking. I keep telling him. He doesn't listen.
What were you about to say?
Which will?
Whoa! You know what? Great.
That one's mashed up as well, the camber.
Yeah, the front one I told you, it's a bit bad, but not as bad as the other one.
Yeah, bro.
Basically tracking his... Oh, look how clean that looks. He's not gonna do it overly tight this time, hopefully. Yeah, okay, let's make sure of that. Car's dirty, but the alloys are clean. Look at that, Joe.
This one.
Yeah? Hmm? You shouldn't have taken it from me so early, innit?
I didn't. You gave it to me.
No, I'll give you that one.
No, you rolled it.
You took this one?
Yeah, you rolled it to me.
No, I gave you that one first, didn't I?
No.
I don't know, man. We'll just water it down again. We'll take it out. It's not like the car's perfectly clean right now, anyway, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Well, yeah, oh, yeah.
This is a wrap.
Oh, is it the dirty wrap?
Yeah.
That looks sick, you know. Oh, that tinting is wicked. How'd you get them to do that?
I told you it's the new tint.
That's sick, bro.
Yeah.
I need to get that done on my cars.
And then when you
So
wash it,
always.
the wrap changes when you wash it.
Oh, really?
It goes glossy. So if you leave it for like a week, the wrap slowly changes to satin, and then if you wash it, it changes to back to gloss. So it's 2 in 1. It's not out yet though, innit? It's not released.
It's not out yet.
No.
West Midlands first, bro.
Me and Hex is still working on a project together.
Oh, okay.
New sponsor of the video. He wishes.
I wish. I really do wish. Man, imagine getting sponsored for a video. Whew! You got loads of space right now. Oh, look at that gangster we're driving, man. Tog life. Your bonnet's open. Oh, it's because you're gonna jumpstart this. I think it's trying to do a burnout. Trying to do a burnout, mate. It's at the front. I can't remember. About to find out. Oh yeah, I forgot. The bonnet latch is on the other side. Right. I don't know why he turned his car off. Need you to keep your car on, mate. Ooh, look at all that water. That's what happens when you live in the UK and it keeps raining.
Why is your car half blue and half grey?
It's because I'm not rich enough to be black and yellow. It's half blue and grey. That's what it is, bro. Right.
The fade.
Yeah, it's a sick fade. Look, you see how it's like when you get your hair done. Fade it in. Oh, yeah. Do you wanna just start? Yeah. Brother. You're right, yeah.
Can't let the car breathe a bit. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Just took the whole bonnet off. He actually would come off though.
This is held by the couple of latches. I have to get a new one, dude, probably. Oh no, I don't actually need a new one. Just need some new screws. Let's let the magic begin, shall we?
Should chop your exhaust off?
Huh?
Chop your exhaust off? Who fitted that?
I don't know, bro.
Huh?
I don't think it's gonna start.
Huh?
Oh baby, it's on.
Sounds a bit mashed up, you know.
Yeah, that's the whole point of why I'm getting an engine swap, because this engine's a bit battered. Still drives though.
Oh, it's what I've always wanted to do.
Go on. Yeah, you can't do it on new cars. Right, disconnecting. It feels like a mechanic now.
The engine purr. This is like half the engine.
I know. So with the half the interior out, I can't open the windows, so I've kind of opened the roof up a little bit, halfway, so I can reverse the car in without suffocating. So happy to drive this car again. Don't want to crash it. Ah. Look at that, just leaving it turned on for a
just
bit.
brought my car into the garage.
Wow. Wow, you're just ruining it for me!
So guys, just brought the E30 into the garage.
And it's about to start overheating, so I'm just gonna quickly go and turn it off.
What?
Yeah, man.
So guys, just brought the E30 into... No, keep filming it, I'm gonna do you. So guys, Mr. GCC here, just brought the E30 into the garage. Overheating, so I'm about to turn it off because engine's gonna go boom boom. Cheers guys, rate, comment, like, subscribe. Take care, see you on the next one. Bing!
I know we've kind of ended the video, but I don't think that's supposed to happen. So I think why the car might be losing coolant